Beautiful day out here once again. Beautiful day in the universe. Beautiful day. Check it out. Go on a little journey, if we will. See what it's looking like. Little geese drops, some geese droppings. Ugh, looking at the back of that. That looks like some duck poop or something. Let's see what they got in here. What we got in here? This is, oh shit. This is, ooh-wee, old National Geographic books. Them things probably ancient, invented. Damn, I'm about to get stung by something. Let's see, where we at? We're about to chill. Posted up all summer. Chilling in the sun. With a big one head like I'm one of the dogs. Let me slap that there. This motherfucker. What's that? All right. Yeah, I'm on this. Sure. All right. Gonna see if I know I can get right up on here. Dang. Look at this water here. This is the kind of environment you should want to be in. It seems like, man, the air's fresh, you know what I'm saying? The city troubles and stuff is minimal, you know what I'm saying? Very minimal. Out here in peace of nature, you know. As long as the people cool, everything is cool type of stuff, you know, but this is the life right here, man. This is as good as it get, you know what I'm saying? To me, this beats a big $1 million fence in front of your house, Beverly Hill long driveway, all of that. Anything in that category. Stuff like this beat that 100-fold, you feel me? This beat that all day right here, you ask me. What more could you ask for? What more can you ask for? Just think about it. Ain't nothing wrong with the city now at all, but yeah, you always gotta, at the least you always gotta have your self time, you know. You gotta cut the ties, man. You gotta be able to balance your life, environmentally balance your life to physically and mentally be better. That's how I look at it. Maybe you disagree, but that's how I look at it. I ain't the people spokesman or nothing. I can just tell you what works for me. But yeah. Till next time, man. Like, share, subscribe. Support the channel with some charitable donations, please. Charitable donations. Hit the Cash App. Charitable donations, man. You know, all this good content for you. Let's hit the charitable donations up on the Cash App. It's in the bio. It's in the bio. If you read my bio, so let's get that going. Cash App. You know, like, share, subscribe to Best Vegan Channel and Nature and Fitness, all three in one channel on YouTube. You know, and it's just beginning. It's just getting started for real. So, yeah, man. Sooner or later, I'll probably make like some stuff like the pay-per-view kind of stuff going on once I figure out how to maneuver this YouTube thing. Shit like that. All right.